The electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle with a mass 1,837 times less than that of a proton, or about 9.1 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms, and a charge of about 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. Electrons belong to the family of lightweight fermions known as leptons. Like other leptons, the electron has no known internal structure. It behaves as if it has zero radius. The electron is a member of the scheme of fundamental particles known as the Standard Model. The antiparticle of the electron is the positron. Fast-moving streams of electrons emitted during radioactive decay are known as beta particles. Electrons occur in the outer parts of atoms, in orbitals corresponding to definite fixed energies. When an electron in an atom jumps from one particular orbital to another, it gives rise to the emission or absorption of light or other electromagnetic radiation of a specific characteristic wavelength. All chemical properties of atoms and molecules are determined by the electromagnetic interactions of electrons with each other and with the atomic nuclei. The name electron was first suggested by G. Johnson Stoney in 1891 for the natural unit of electricity. The particle that plays this role was discovered by Joseph John J.J. Thomson in 1897. Words such as electron and electricity derive from the term electrica, coined by William Gilbert in 1600 to denote substances such as amber that attract light objects when rubbed, the Greek for amber being electrum. The discovery of the electron was announced by J.J. Thomson in 1897 at the Royal Institution Friday Evening Discourse. Thomson told his audience that earlier in the year he'd made a surprising discovery. He'd found a particle of matter 1,000 times smaller than the atom. He called it a corpuscle, meaning small body. Although Thomson was director of the Cavendish Laboratory at the University of Cambridge and one of the most respected scientists in Britain, the scientists present found the news hard to believe because at the time it was thought that the atom was the smallest component of matter and that it was indivisible. In 1923, the French physicist Louis de Broglie proposed a theory in which all moving particles, including the electron, have waves associated with them. 4 years later, an experiment by the American physicists Clinton Davison and Lester Germer confirmed the wave-like aspect of electrons.